Italy.
Good job. Did you find one?
Macy.
What is that?
Ooh, that's a jumbo egg. Is there something in it that you don't need?
Yeah. Oh, it's fruit snacks. You do need those.
Here. Macy. What is that?
Did you get one?
You found it all by yourself.
Yay! Put it in your basket.
Wait,
Put them in here. Okay, put them in here.
Let's see what's in there. Fruit snacks. Give me power.
Oh, good. More fruit snacks. We ran out of fruit snacks yesterday.
I see why.
No, that wasn't on purpose. We just needed to go to the store and get more. I didn't put the stuff in the eggs.
She can't get past the flowers. You gotta go to me.
Put it in your basket.
She shakes it.
Oh, I'm looking here.
Here.